Hi. Last lecture we completed silent feature of modern periodic table. In that one, our last point was based on a block's modern periodic table classified as S block element, P block element, D block element and F block element. Now, I arrange this table for you, and from this table we are going to cover our information for following blocks. First we are going to see S block, and we are making definition. Elements present in group first and second are called S block elements. See, group first and second elements are called S block elements. For a P block elements present in group 13 to 18th called P block elements. For D block elements, element present in group 3 to 12 called D block elements. For F block elements, element present in series. You see, here I underline the content. The definition pattern is like this one. Only instead of this underline content, we need to arrange this information for respective blocks. So we covered the first point. Now we are going for the second point. In a second point, for S block element, we have information. These elements have only last one shell is incompletely filled by electron. Only last one shell is incompletely filled for S block element. Now for a P block, similar way information, only last one shell is incompletely filled by electron. But for a P block, we have one except. Except is noble gas elements. For a D block, we have a information. Elements have last two shells are incompletely filled by electron. So elements from a D block have a last two shells are incompletely filled. For a F block, we have a last three shells are incompletely filled. For a for F block, we have last three shells are incompletely filled. Now, we are going to see third point for S block. It is like this one. These elements are known as normal elements, or we can say like this one, they are known as normal elements. For a P block, we have a same information. They are also known as normal elements, but in this case we have except noble gas elements. Now, for a D block, we have another information that these elements are known as transition elements. So elements from a D blocks are transition elements. Elements from F blocks are inner transition elements. Now guys, these words are new to us. I will give you detail of this different elements later on. Now we are focusing on a fourth point. In S block elements, all are metals. It includes only metals except hydrogen. Here guys, for a P blocks, we have all types of elements like metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gas elements. For a D block, we have only metals. And for F block, they are also metal, but they are metals of special category like lanthanides and actinides. Now for a fifth point, in S block we have, it includes one or two valence electrons. That means elements from S blocks have one or two valence electrons. Elements from P blocks containing 3 to 8 valence electrons. For a D and for F block, we don't have fifth point. In short, I just want to say you that we covered this table for various blocks. This information may ask you in a board exam as a point of differentiate or individual short note. So we are copying this one in our notebook. So I'm closing all this. We are going to see Based on chemical properties or chemical nature of elements, modern periodic table classified as noble gas elements, normal elements, transition elements, and inner transition elements. So let's see what are they. I made it available definition for the same one. Elements whose all the shells are completely filled by electrons are called noble gas elements. Example we having helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, etc. इसका मतलब क्या है? जिस एलिमेंट्स के ऑल द शेल्स इलेक्ट्रॉन से फुलफिल हो जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड नोबल गैस एलिमेंट. I can say in another way, if all the shells are completely filled, 0 are incomplete. I intentionally saying you this information, zeros are incomplete for noble gas elements. Now, see, for a normal elements whose only last one shell is incompletely filled. You see, in the case of noble gas, 0 incomplete. For a normal elements, last one shell is incomplete. For a transition elements, last two shells are incompletely filled by electrons. And for inner transition elements, last three shells are incompletely filled by electrons. So guys, these are the definition for this 4 different types of elements. 4 different types of elements. Okay, but there are more details is available in this table. You can see normal elements can seen in S block as well as in P block. Normal elements can see in S block and P block. Transition elements are seen only in D block. Inner transition elements are seen in F block. So by using the same table, SPDF's table, we can make it available information for these 4 different types of elements individually and can make our short note for the same one. Only extra I want to say you for noble gas element is this one. These elements are completely filled by electrons. So these elements are not take part in chemical reaction. They neither lose electron nor gain electrons. So they are chemically inactive. That's why they are known as inert gas elements. So this is about entire modern periodic table. Take care.